Hey there everybody, how's it going? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today's video is basically all about how to create a YouTube video end screen using Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's begin the video. Alright everybody, so as you can see Premiere Pro is loaded up, and what you want to do is create these two color mats, doesn't matter what color you choose, and essentially just drag it onto the timeline. Now we got the red layer, right? So what you want to do now is essentially just drag this one as well, but with this blue layer we're going to go to the masking tools and we're going to go for first the eclipse mask. Now obviously you want to make that a bigger size, so give me a moment. About that size should do it. Make sure it's centered as well, and well, up to you really. Yes, that's our channel thing there. That's where they'll go to subscribe and see your channel profile photo. And now what you want to do is do the same thing again. Now for the video section right here, which is where the videos are going to be shown, just drag this layer on, well, just drag this layer over here. And now what you want to do is come to effect controls and decrease the scale. There we are, so 40 should be enough. Yeah, 40. There we are. 40. Now do the same thing again to just duplicate it instead of dragging another layer, just to save us time. And essentially that's how it's done. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to create a YouTube video end screen using Premiere Pro. If this video was of any value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Leave the video a thumbs up and share it to help me rank in search results to help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.